Question 37. Find the perimeter of the shape. Now this is the shape. It's a right angle triangle. We've been asked to find the perimeter of this shape. To find the perimeter of a shape, it means adding all the sides. So we have to add this plus this plus this. And we don't know the value of this. This is x. And since this is a right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem to find this missing side. The missing side is the hypotenuse. This is where we have our 90. The side facing the 90 is the hypotenuse. So x is the hypotenuse. We're going to find the value of x first using Pythagoras theorem, which is hypotenuse squared equals opposite squared plus adjacent squared. We're using this formula to solve. And when it comes to this Pythagoras theorem, all you need to concentrate on is finding which is the hypotenuse, because any of the two sides can be the opposite or the adjacent. We have our hypotenuse as unknown, which is x. So we have it as x squared equals, we can make 15 the opposite, so we can say 15 squared plus 20 squared, which is our adjacent. X squared equals 15 squared is 15 times 15. 15 times 15 with our calculator is 225. That's 225. And 20 squared is 20 times 20, which is 400. X squared equals 225 plus 400. We're adding these two together. Will give you 625. We know x squared is 625. To find the value of x, we introduce square root to both sides to remove this square from this x, which is square root of this and square root of this. Square root cancels the square. X equals square root of 625. You can use your calculator, which is 25. X is therefore 25. Going back to the diagram, now know the value of our x is 25 centimeters. And the perimeter of any shape is the addition of all the sides, except for circles, where you don't have sides. But there's a formula for finding perimeter of a circle. Now we add all the sides, that's 15 plus 20 plus 25 to find the perimeter of the shape. Perimeter equals 15 plus 20 plus 25. 15 plus 20 plus 25 will give you 60, then you have 60 centimeters. Therefore the perimeter of this triangle is 60 centimeters. The answer is E, 60 centimeters.